In the tumultuous landscape of World War II, armored warfare played a pivotal role in shaping the outcome of battles. Among the myriad of tanks employed during this period, the M26 Pershing emerged as a formidable contender, embodying American ingenuity and technological prowess. This essay explores the origins, development, deployment, and impact of the M26 Pershing in the context of World War II, delving into its design, capabilities, and legacy. The genesis of the M26 Pershing can be traced back to the inadequacies revealed by the earlier American tanks, such as the M4 Sherman, in combat against German armor. Recognizing the need for a more powerful and better armored tank, the United States Army initiated the development of a new heavy tank in 1942. Named after General John J. Pershing, the commander of the American Expeditionary Forces during World War I, the M26 aimed to address the deficiencies of its predecessors and provide American forces with a competitive edge on the battlefield. The design process of the M26 Pershing was a collaborative effort involving various stakeholders, including the Ordnance Department, tank manufacturers, and military strategists. Drawing inspiration from contemporary tanks and incorporating lessons learned from combat experiences, the development team prioritized several key features in the design of the M26. These included enhanced firepower, improved armor protection, and superior mobility to maneuver effectively across diverse terrains. One of the defining characteristics of the M26 Pershing was its powerful 90mm M3 gun, which boasted impressive range and penetration capabilities. This main armament provided the tank with the firepower necessary to engage and destroy enemy tanks at considerable distances, thereby offsetting the technological advantages held by German armored units. Additionally, the M26 featured sloped armor and increased thickness compared to previous models, offering improved protection against enemy fire. The development of the M26 Pershing faced numerous challenges and setbacks, including logistical issues, production delays, and technical difficulties. However, relentless efforts and resource mobilization eventually led to the successful production and deployment of the tank by late 1944. As American forces prepared for the final stages of the war in Europe, the M26 Pershing stood poised to make its mark on the battlefield. The M26 Pershing made its combat debut during the latter stages of World War II, primarily in the European theater of operations. Initially deployed in small numbers, the tank gradually became more prevalent as production increased and logistical hurdles were overcome. American armored units equipped with the M26 were tasked with a variety of missions, including breakthrough operations, armored reconnaissance, and direct engagement with enemy forces. One of the most notable engagements involving the M26 Pershing occurred during the Battle of the Bulge in December 1944. As German forces launched a massive offensive in the Ardennes region, American units found themselves locked in fierce combat against superior German armor, including the formidable Tiger and Panther tanks. In this desperate and challenging environment, the M26 Pershing proved its mettle, demonstrating its ability to withstand enemy fire and deliver decisive blows to enemy tanks. The Battle of Cologne in March 1945 further showcased the combat effectiveness of the M26 Pershing. As American forces advanced into Germany, they encountered stiff resistance from entrenched German defenders. In the urban confines of Cologne, the M26 excelled, utilizing its firepower and maneuverability to neutralize enemy strongpoints and clear the way for infantry advances. The tank's combination of firepower, protection, and mobility proved instrumental in overcoming German resistance and securing victory. Throughout its combat deployment in World War II, the M26 Pershing earned a reputation for reliability, durability, and effectiveness on the battlefield. Despite facing formidable adversaries and operating in challenging conditions, the tank demonstrated its ability to engage and defeat enemy armor while providing crucial support to infantry units. The M26's performance in combat solidified its status as a premier heavy tank and underscored its significance in the annals of armored warfare. The legacy of the M26 Pershing extends far beyond its role in World War II, leaving a lasting imprint on the evolution of armored warfare. As the last of the American heavy tanks to see widespread combat, the M26 represented the culmination of years of technological innovation and battlefield experience. Its design principles and combat performance would influence subsequent generations of armored vehicles and shape the development of post-war tank doctrine. Following the conclusion of World War II, the M26 Pershing continued to serve in various capacities within the United States Army and other allied nations. It saw action in the Korean War, where it once again proved its combat prowess in engagements against North Korean and Chinese forces. Despite being gradually phased out of frontline service in favor of newer tank designs, the M26 remained in reserve and support roles for several more years, testament to its enduring utility and reliability. Beyond its immediate military impact, the M26 Pershing symbolized American industrial might and technological innovation during a pivotal period in history. Its development and deployment underscored the importance of armored warfare in modern conflict and highlighted the role of tanks as decisive instruments of battlefield success. The M26's contribution to the Allied victory in World War II and its subsequent service in conflicts around the world cemented its place in the pantheon of legendary tanks. In conclusion, the M26 Pershing stands as a testament to American ingenuity, resilience, and determination in the face of adversity. Born out of the exigencies of war and forged in the crucible of combat, the M26 represented a significant leap forward in the evolution of armored warfare during World War II. Its formidable firepower, enhanced protection, and exceptional mobility distinguished it as a premier heavy tank and ensured its place in history as a symbol of Allied victory. The legacy of the M26 Pershing endures as a reminder of the indomitable spirit and technological prowess that shaped the course of 20th-century warfare.